Today we're checking out a compact robotic arm that brings industrial-level performance right to your desktop. Meet the Haro380, a 6-axis mini industrial robot designed for developers, engineers, educators, and anyone interested in robotics and automation. Despite its small size, this machine packs some impressive capabilities that make it suitable for everything from training labs to light industrial applications. One of the first things you'll notice is how flexible the Haro380 is. With 6+1 degrees of freedom and a reach of 434 millimeters, it can move smoothly through a wide range of positions and angles. It can also be mounted and operated in virtually any orientation, giving you plenty of freedom when designing your workspace or integrating it into a project. When it comes to performance, the Haro380 delivers impressive precision. It supports a maximum payload of 1 kilogram with a rated payload of 500 grams, making it capable of handling a variety of objects and tools. Its repeatability is rated at plus or minus 0.05 millimeters, which means it can perform highly accurate movements again and again. For applications that require consistent precision, that level of accuracy can make a huge difference. Another standout feature is its ability to work with different industrial-grade end effectors. Switching tools is quick and easy, allowing the robot to adapt to different tasks without slowing down your workflow. In demonstrations, the arm handles everything from holding a marker and drawing to picking up delicate objects using grippers and suction tools. It transitions smoothly between pick-and-place operations, assembly work, inspection tasks, and other precision applications. The Haro380 also offers plenty of options for developers and researchers. With an open API and support for platforms like ROS2 and MATLAB, it integrates easily into advanced robotics and AI projects. Whether you're building automation systems, testing new concepts, or learning about robotic control systems, this arm provides a professional-grade platform in a compact package. For anyone looking to explore robotics without investing in a full-sized industrial system, the Haro380 offers a compelling combination of precision, flexibility, and ease of use. It's a powerful tool that can fit comfortably on a desktop while delivering capabilities typically associated with much larger robotic platforms.